Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create a single social link for your all social media accounts. As you can see, all your social media links will be shown with a single link. If you are new for my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. You can also check my previous videos. Now let's go to the video. First of all, we open Chrome or any other browser. Then we will type Linktree on the search bar. When you touch the first link, it will open Linktree website. To create a new account, just click on Get Started for free. You type your username, email address and password. Don't forget to click on the box below. Then you click on Sign Up. Here you type your name and choose the category you want. I choose text since I am creating for my channel. On the choice here you choose free. As you can see, it's free forever and will not require you to pay. Then it will ask you to verify your email address. So we will go to our email and find the email they sent. Here we click on Verify Email. Now we are done verifying, so I click on Sign Up to continue. On the title we type YouTube, then add our link below on the URL space. So I copy my YouTube link and paste it here. I can choose a thumbnail for my YouTube link. I choose a picture that I want and upload the picture. Then I will create a link for my Telegram. Type Telegram on the title and type your link on URL. Then choose your picture to make a thumbnail for your Telegram link. When you click on Preview, it will show you how your page will be displayed. It's nice. Then I will create my tactic link. We can make it on the bottom by pressing the dots on the left side. We follow the same step that we did before. We are about to finish. Now let's check what we did here. Click on Preview. That's nice. Here you can also choose your thumbnail from the icons. Above the link you find the analytics. With the help of analytics, you can follow up how many people checked out your links and get other informations. Now let's give our page a good appearance. Click on the three lines here and choose a candid and go to appearance. Then choose your style, fills and text font. On the profile you can edit your name. You can also choose your profile to be displayed. On the bio you can write some notes. Now let's check it. Click on Preview. That is nice. This is how it will be displayed. You can try your own style and text fonts. Finally we click on Share and copy the link to make on our homepage. This is my Linktree link, which contains all my social media links. Let's try it. I open my tactic and on the edit profile I will change the link. As you can see, when I click on the link the page is displayed. We can check the links. YouTube is opening. All links are working. You can also use this link on your Instagram. So this was for today. Thank you for watching. If you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe now and like this video.